What's up everybody out there in YouTube land? This is Jose once again with PetRockMedia.com. We are back with another video, and today we're going to talk about a brand new camera that was just introduced to my camera lineup and inside my camera bag. Roll the intro. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, punch that bell icon so you're notified each and every time we post videos or go live. As well as comment, like, and share this video. I greatly appreciate it, and it helps keep the lights on here at the studio. So a few weeks ago, I made an announcement about finally being able to purchase a Leica Q2. We are finally part of the Leica family. And just recently, we were able to add an additional camera to the PetRock Media lineup. That camera I'm talking about is the FUJI X100V. So I've been a fan of the X100 line since the very beginning, since the first inception of the original X100. Even with the slow autofocus, which was later fixed by a firmware update, I was still a major fan of the original X100. I moved on and purchased the S and the T, but I never quite purchased the X100F. I had already moved on to the X Pro lineup, so I had done the X Pro 1 and the X Pro 2. Haven't bought the X Pro 3 yet, and I'm still having my reservations about that. But when I started reading some more reviews and doing some research, I had to get back in the X100 lineup, and I picked up the X100V. The sheer build quality and just the overall look of this camera is amazing. Look at that. I've always shot on black cameras other than the very first X100. The first X100 I did get the silver and black edition, and ever since after that I've picked up the full black editions of these cameras. What we're filming on right now, along with the X Pro 2, all straight black cameras. That's just something about the all black on black gives it a little bit more of a stealth feel, and I enjoy that, especially for street photography. Now I plan on doing my full review and my full impressions on this camera after I put it through a few more paces. Been shooting with it for about a week or so. I'll be doing a full review once I get my ideas on it, once I get some more photos taken with it. And the review is going to be specifically about photography. I know it has some pretty killer video specs, but I'm going to be doing it straight from a photographer's perspective. I'll be going over what settings I use on the camera as well. So again, stay tuned to that. Hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when we post that video. One cool thing about the X100V is that they have finally included a tilt screen that is amazingly flush with the camera. And it's got a little bit, see if I can get this to focus. It's got a little groove right there that you pick up and it flips. So that's a pretty cool addition to this particular lineup. Again, the quality of the images that I've been getting thus far are pretty solid. Now they do not, in my opinion, beat the Leica for real color replication, but if you're looking for that film replication, that filmic profile, then you can hardly go wrong with this particular camera. That wraps it up, guys. I just wanted to show you the brand new camera that I'm going to be photographing with in the next couple of weeks. Look out for the full review. Again, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, punch that bell icon. And this is Jose once again with PetRockMedia.com signing out. Peace.